such a fun day scrolling on shorts.
We got and a bunch of
Okay, I know I got something to roast today. This ain't an April Fool's joke. This is serious. You better get roasted. Okay? Now, let me see what this ad got in store. I know I'm gonna have fun this April Fool's. Better bots. No money needed. No filters. NSFW? That sounds like something zippers and bozos and people that suck would download. Say, you want a cool AI chatbot app where you can do anything you want. There's filters and is an overall great experience, and all you need to do to get unlimited chats is sign up. Just go to character.ai. Don't download AI fantasy anime fandom. And this isn't sponsored. This ain't sponsored. But I'm going to continue the ad anyways. Please tell me this ad was an April Fool's joke from the people who created AI Fantasy. Oh yeah, I forgot to read these first two messages. Tired of getting blocked by NSFW filters or having limited chats? Like I said earlier, just go on character.ai. You can chat with people and make your own chatbots. It's sick. And by the way, this isn't sponsored. And I don't even know what NSFW is, but screw it.